Hey people, so we are at this place called Krimmy's Thick Shake, and this is Sitafal and Ayush, that is hot chocolate, for just 69 bucks. And Ayush, take a bite of it. This is at the Durgam Chervu metro station. Ayush, take a bite of this also, na? Together both the items are just 198 or just 200. So this is a cozy corner.
Hot chocolate is a 10 out of 10.
Yeah. So Ayush, come and sit here. We have like few chairs. Ayush, that's my bag. Okay. So this looks nice. I can't wait to try it. And that's it, hot chocolate, yeah, for 69 bucks. Let me take a bite of it. Except that I wish there was a place to sit. That is heaven in a cup. Highly recommended. Krimmy's Thick Shake. Ayush, aren't you glad you came? Yes. So this is at the Durgam metro station, Hyderabad.